Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube video to Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, just click on this add elements right here on your Wix website editor. And then from in here, you should be able to see this embed code. Under that, you should be able to see some videos, so as well as this YouTube right here. So to add, just drag and drop this on your actual thing. So in here, as you can see, a video player has been added, which is actually from YouTube. So let's click on change video right here. And then from in here, you can select a video from YouTube. You can search the YouTube right here directly from your Wix. Or you can also just put in the web address for that specific video. So I have copied a web address right here, which is the Hugh Jackman's opening number. And as you can see, when I paste it, it actually been added on my website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add a YouTube video on your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach